Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So deep breathing can help bring you tremendous health benefits at a low cost. So Wim Hof has created this amazing breathing technique that has really taught everybody how to basically calm their entire nervous system very fast. So the point of this breathing exercise is to make really deep inhales. So I will show you first. You're going to take a really deep inhale to get into your diaphragm. So you're gonna go, and then you are not going to force the exhale, and you are going to exhale when you feel like it, not when you have to force it out. So really quick, fast movements, but also you're going to be doing 30 of these breaths. So it is a long process, but super short at the same time because it's supposed to be a quick, deep inhale and then exhale. So give it a try. If you have any questions, leave it down below or come visit us in our office. We'll see you soon.